Uline's 220-volt shrink tunnel quickly shrink wraps retail packages and bundles large items together. The 8 by 16-inch opening can handle packages up to 7 inches high and 15 inches wide. The adjustable speed and temperature settings allow you to match the best film type with your project. The heavy-duty powder-coated steel construction and PTFE-coated mesh belt ensures long-lasting durability. Once connected to power, simply seal your product in shrink film and place on the conveyor. The 4-direction recirculated heated airflow quickly shrinks film, while silicone rubber curtains minimize heat loss and maintain consistent temperatures. The 220-volt shrink tunnel is shipped without a plug due to the special wiring options you may need. It is recommended that you consult an electrician prior to purchasing. The shrink tunnel is made in the USA and includes a 1-year warranty. The optional leg kit provides mobility, storage, and a comfortable working height. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.